Are you struggling with your certification practice labs? Get ready to be introduced to Labexio, the groundbreaking platform that will transform how we learn. At Labex, we're not just talking about learning, we're talking about experiencing, doing, and mastering skills through practical engagement. Imagine a platform that takes you beyond the traditional boundaries of theoretical learning. Labex is not just an AI-powered platform, it's an immersive journey where you get hands-on with real-world scenarios. With Labex, the traditional barriers to learning are dismantled. Say goodbye to the days of struggling with software installations and complex virtual environments. Our philosophy is simple: hassle-free learning that puts the focus on your growth. For beginners, this is a game changer. We understand that the initial steps can be daunting, and that's why Labex removes the hurdles. No more hours spent on setting up environments. Dive right into practical experiences right in your browser. And let's talk about our core: interactive hands-on learning. At Labex, it's not about watching videos, it's about doing. No distractions, no fluff, just you, the labs, and extensive skill trees to conquer. But what truly sets Labex apart is our AI-powered learning assistant. Imagine having a guide, a mentor, walking you step by step through real-world labs. Our AI is not just smart, it's designed to be your companion in mastering new skills. So whether you're aiming for certification preparation or looking to enhance your skill set, Labex is here to redefine your learning experience. Join us in this journey where learning isn't a spectator sport, it's a hands-on adventure. Welcome to Hands-On Learning with Labexio. The complexity of change demands dexterity best built through practice. Labex provides all the labs needed for constructing those job-critical skill set today. Navigate to Labexio. Click Join for free. You can sign up with your email address, password, or with Google account. We are signing up with our Google account. Click Google. Select the Google account to sign up with. Once you're signed in, there are several practice labs to choose from. You can also watch the short video on the welcome page to get to know everything you need to know about Labex.
Labex is an AI-powered online platform that offers a virtual environment for step-by-step completion of coding labs and challenges. Labex VM allows you to experience hands-on operations, get creative, and try the code out. When you start a lab, Labex will automatically create a virtual environment for you. Labex VM is based on Ubuntu, CentOS, or other operating systems. It typically has 3 interfaces: desktop, web IDE, and Jupyter Notebook. AI is the key to making Labex a good learning experience. Our AI study assistant, named Labby, will help you learn to code. During each step, Labby will provide guidance, prompts, and code checking. You need to follow Labby to complete the lab. Labby also provides code debugging, concept explanations, and other features. Labex provides skill trees to aid in systematic and personalized learning for programming. A skill tree is a framework that connects various challenges and labs. Completing labs and challenges within a skill tree will illuminate associated skill points. Each skill tree has multiple featured courses that are recommended for beginners to get started quickly. When you've lit up all of the skill points in a particular tree, it means that you are very familiar with that area of programming. Our goal is to enhance the efficiency and personalization of programming education, making it accessible to everyone. Enjoy coding and learning with Labex.
We will demonstrate this session with Linux. Select Linux Lab. You can practice as a beginner or practice Linux in general. Click on the virtual machine to launch it. Navigate to the terminal. Double-click on the terminal to open. This opens the terminal. To check the current working directory, type pwd at the prompt. The pwd command in Linux stands for Print Working Directory. When you run the pwd command in a terminal, it outputs the full path name of the current working directory. This is helpful for determining your current location within the directory structure of the Linux file system. Labex AI Study Assistant named Labby will help you learn. During each step, Labby will provide guidance and prompts as well as code checking. You just need to follow Labby. Labby also provides code debugging, concept explanations, and other functions. You can interrupt it at any time. ls list files and directories. Purpose: lists the files and directories in the current location. ls command in Linux has various options that allow you to customize the output. Here are some examples of commonly used ls options. Long format displays detailed information, including file permissions, number of links, owner, group, size, and modification time. Ctrl-L is a shortcut to clear the screen. Press Ctrl-L to clear the terminal screen. mkdir, make directory. Purpose: it creates a new directory. We are creating a new directory test in our current working directory Labex. cd, change directory. Purpose: it changes the current working directory. touch, create empty file. Purpose: creates an empty file. We will create an empty file and name it exercise.txt in Labex. Type the text, "This is just a demo. We will explore more in later sessions." Then click on Save. Cat, concatenate and display. This displays the contents of a file. To display the content of exercise, type cat exercise.txt. In later sessions, we will explore relative and absolute paths. To end your practice session, click the descriptions and upgrade to PR and enjoy all these pro features. So there you have it. Explore a vast library of over 6,000 plus hands-on labs across 30 plus in-depth skill trees, covering areas from Linux, DevOps, Docker, and Kubernetes to programming and data science.
Labex is an AI-powered online platform that offers a virtual environment for step-by-step completion of coding labs and challenges. Labex VM allows you to experience hands-on operations, get creative, and try the code out. When you start a lab, Labex will automatically create a virtual environment for you. Labex VM is based on Ubuntu, CentOS, or other operating systems. It typically has 3 interfaces: desktop, web IDE, and Jupyter Notebook. AI is the key to making Labex a good learning experience. Our AI study assistant, named Labby, will help you learn to code. During each step, Labby will provide guidance, prompts, and code checking. You need to follow Labby to complete the lab. Labby also provides code debugging, concept explanations, and other features. Labex provides skill trees to aid in systematic and personalized learning for programming. A skill tree is a framework that connects various challenges and labs. Completing labs and challenges within a skill tree will illuminate associated skill points. Each skill tree has multiple featured courses that are recommended for beginners to get started quickly. When you've lit up all of the skill points in a particular tree, it means that you are very familiar with that area of programming. Our goal is to enhance the efficiency and personalization of programming education, making it accessible to everyone. Enjoy coding and learning with Labex.
Use the promotion link and coupon code below. If you like this video, click the next one shown on your screen. I'm sure you'll love it. Thanks for watching.